Nag-start ng video. Lights! Lights! Camera! Action!
In a difficult situation, Sheldrake found herself torn between her desire to marry her partner and her family's opposition due to religious differences. Sheldrake's father suggested aborting the child, leading to a heated exchange with her partner.
Kasal? Hindi ko bang ginagamit ang utak mo? Magkaiba kayo ng relihiyon! At alam mo bang napakahirap magpakasal, ha? Ma, kaya namin gawa ng paraan to.
Matagal at mahirap ang proseso ng pagpapakasal sa atin ni Leon. Lalo na iba siya sa atin. Hindi ito maaari, Cherry. Palaglag mo ang bata.
Palaglag ang bata? Tito, tama ba yung desisyon mo?
Huwag mo akong matito, Tito. Hindi kita kailangan tinanggap bilang kabiyak ng aming anak.
Pumili ka. Kami ng ama mo, ang lalaking yan at batang dinadala mo. Ma'am, huwag mo akong mama. Na naman, bitiwan mo ka!
Sa oras na makapili ka, huwag mo na kami ituturi ng mga magulang mo at huwag mo na balaking humingi ng tulong sa amin.
Sir, huwag mo naman tignan ang anak mo!
Mahimik ka! Cherry, ano?
Umalis na tayo dito. Tandaan mo, wala ka nang babalikan pa. Huwag kayong mag-alala, wala nang babalik pa.
The youngest child of Sheldrake and Carlos Rizal of the Loki, an overachiever who carries all the pressure and expectation from her parents like her siblings.
This is the determination of your carga. That is it.
Did you make it to the top by this time?
Don't expect too much. She's not like your sisters.
Who said I'm expecting? See, di naman tumabot ng top 1. Pinagagawa sa eskwela. Nag-aaral ka ba talaga?
I am. It's just enough to make it to the top.
Then, study harder. My God! It is hard to make contact, Gab. Giyahin mo nga mga ate mo. Hindi mag-aral. Laging top 1. Ikaw, pag-aaral ba inatupag mo?
Umayos ka, Gab. Lag ka ng top 3. Do better. Masa ka smart mo, mag-aral ka at magkaroon ka ng ambag sa pamilyang to.
Determined to prove her worth, Gab put her best effort to excel in her academic studies, hoping to finally make her parents proud. The day finally arrived. The announcement of honor students had come.
The most awaited day had finally arrived. Here I have the number of students who made it to the top. Only 7 students in this class made it to the honor list. Despite that, I'm still proud of every single one of you. Congratulations for completing the semester. Let me call on the top 7. I'll announce from top 7 to top 1. Huwag nating patagalin pa. First on the list, Jaden Mandap with an average of 90.4 with honor. Next on the list, Karil Gamalo with an average of 91.2 with honor. Next on the list, Daniela Pete Arnado with an average of 91.4 with honor. Next on the list, Sandy Sanyal with an average of 92.4 with honor. Next on the list, Eric Dunn with an average of 93.4 with honor. Next on the list, Jack Brian Shazon with an average of 95.2 with high honor. Last but not the least, Gabrielle Del Weiner with an average of 97.4 with high honor. Congratulations, Gov. You're finally the top student in our class. I'm sure your parents will be so proud of you.
Thank you po, Mom. I'm excited to bring you out to nila. I hope I made you proud this time.
We'll surely be proud of you, Gov. Ingat pa uwi. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, Pa, I'm home na po. I have great news to show you. Ma, Pa, anyone?
At the moment of silence, she realizes something. Feelings of jealousy and resentment start gripping her mind as she thinks about her sisters who have always been the recipients of their parents' attention and praise. Her heart is filled with confusion and a feeling of abandonment as she questions why her parents aren't present to celebrate her accomplishments. She keeps wondering why her own achievements are not valued the same way as her sisters. She decided to just hide her accomplishments that day, knowing that it will only make her uncomfortable if her parents suddenly acted unusual and kind. It should never tell them how she finally made it to the top.
I'm the top one in my class. I hope I made you proud this time. Your right role, your actions will change. Bakit sa kanya?
All I want is love that lasts. It's all I want.
evening for dinner. Everyone gathers around the dinner table and talks about life. Jam, who excels in academics and maintains balance in her relationship. Her boyfriend's name is Harvey, a gentleman with green flag qualities.
Harvey, I'm glad that you and our daughters can balance your relationship and your studies. How's Jam as your girlfriend? Is she pasaway ba?
Nako, tita. She's perfect in so many ways. I'm so proud of her for doing great every single day.
Meanwhile, father started to compare Gab to Jam and his boyfriend Harvey. He said,
Look, Gab, you're doing school and have a healthy relationship. How about you? I'm so disappointed because you're not doing what you should. You should focus on your sisters.
Gab started to hold back her tears because she doesn't want them to see that she's hurt.
You know, Gab, you should strive to make us proud and not to disappoint. Look at your sister Juno. She's doing well in school despite not having a boyfriend as her inspiration. Kagaya ni Jam. Gab, you should try to emulate what your sister is doing and make us proud.
Good for you now. Nag-aral ko ng ayos. Nag-aral ko kasi.
Nag-aaral na maayos? Ganyan ba?
I'm studying hard. Hindi mo na kasi nagkita. You just don't care. Kung ilang oras ako yung napupuyat. Ang gusto niya kasi resulta. Cheap namin.
Yeah. Did you just cut off what your dad saying? Stop off. Stop off. Gagawin lang ako importante. Tingnan mo, wala na tuloy ng gana kumain yung ate mo.
Harvey followed Jam to her room. He knows that Jam was not okay with what had just happened.
Jam, are you okay?
Harvey, may forgot pa ako sa gagawin.
No, I am here for you, so let me stay with you.
Harvey, please. Umuwi ka na. It's late na, oh.
I am
Gabi
here
na.
for you. Ano ang problema? Ano problema?
Tapos si Gab. Why did they define their wrongdoings? Alam mo mali yung ginagawa nila sa sarili kong kapatid, pero hindi ko sila kayang masambatan. Maglaban nila yung sarili kong kapatid. Kapatid ko yun! Tapos ginagawa nila yung kapatid ko!
Hindi kasi natutunan ako ng Jam. Ano you did for the soul doctor for the sake of your
Hey,
friend's
Harvey!
salvation?
Ano naman talagang kaluwag? Hindi mo kaya yung maglaban yung kapatid ko. Lagi na lang gano'n.
Ano ba? Hindi mo yung kasalanan.
Please, tigil natin. Hindi ko na kaya. Bakit na kita dinadamay sa family problems ko? Problema ko kung lagi na kita dinadamay.
Jam!
Please,
Ba?
Harvey, let's give some space muna for each other.
I know we can still work on this.
Harvey, please, kung mahal mo ako, respetuhin mo yung decision ko.
Sige, kung yan ang gusto mo, I'll give you some space muna. Bye, Jam. I love you.
The next morning, Jam woke up with a very happy feeling. She's used to keeping everything to herself. So growing up, she's had a hard time expressing herself. But Jam wanted to make a change. So at dawn, she decided to take her time and go for a walk to free her mind. But when she stepped outside,
Harvey, ba't nandito ka pa? Di ba sinabi kasi umuwi ka na?
Oh. Ano?
Alam mo naman malamig yung lemon sa gabi. Ba't ka nandito? Nalamigan ka ba?
Oh, binigyan kita ng space. Space, di ba yun?
Harvey, alam mo malamig yung lemon kagabi. Ba't ka nandito?
Wala yung lamig ng hangin sa lamig ng treatment ko gabi.
Huwag ka naman maging corny. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo wala na tayo?
So, magtatanong pa nga ako eh, kung ako pa rin ba? Ako pa rin ba?
Harvey, please. You know I can't love you the way you love me. Hindi ko pa rin mabigay yung pag-ibig mo kayong binibigay sa akin.
Oh,
Harvey,
you're in
magkaiba
love.
tayo.
You're the one I love.
Pero magkaiba tayo, Harvey.
Ba yan? Ano ba Ano ba? Ano ba problema? Ayun naman kitang pagtanggol, di ba?
Mahal kita pero
Oo. Ano mo ako?
no one sure. It's not a secret I tried to
I know you want me, so don't keep saying my hands tight.
You claim it's not in the cards, but fate's pulling you miles away and out of reach from me.
But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide to show my destiny? Why did we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find.
It's up to you.
No, it's up to me. And everyone tells us what we can be. How can we rewrite the stars? That you'd be made to be mine tonight.
It's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you. There are mountains, there are doors that we can't walk through.
I know you wonder why, because we're able to be just you and me within this
So
world.
when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. Not up to you.
No, it's up to me. And everyone tells us what we can be. How can we rewrite the stars? Say the world can be ours tonight. So, Joe, will you give me another chance to win your heart again?
Eljuna, the oldest sister, is both good in academics and as a lover. She's everything her parents could ask for. But will it suddenly change if her parents will know about her true identity?
This is the kind of class. Wala pa. Sa Monday pa yun, no? Ay, ano ka pala?
Hi, sila naman si good students with time to study.
Kaya mga approach your friends, hindi masyado kasi hindi ka sa student, hindi na student, sister, daughter, na ikaw na talaga.
Pomsi, kasi kung isa yung dito, mahal na mahal at mahal sa'yo very much.
Eh, paano naman? This isn't the service ng alam. Best friend, ano mo sa duet, ha?
Uy, best friend.
Shut up! Ano ka whatever you want?
And this is April. Came from a broken family, but despite her hardships, she still excels in academics. Sweet, caring, and a loving friend. Well, with the help of the challenging effects of excellence, their hearts found each other.
Hey, can I just say something?
I love this.
All the life I see is so bored in my face. There's something I bumped into. I was here to say thing because I've been searching my whole life to find the things. It's the point of talking on a shopping for you. But with you, I've gone by. I see your face, and it's not like I've ever known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. With you, with you.
The night came around, and Arjuna decided to call her parents for a meetup. She finally had the courage to introduce April as her girlfriend. Will they accept her and agree to continue on the relationship? Or will her parents oppose their love, forcing them to stop?
Good evening, Ma. Oh, asa energy ah? Are you doing great in school? Of course, I'm doing great. Easy po ba yung bukas?
Si Juna yung tumatawa.
Oh, dinner na tayo together tomorrow.
Sige anak, kata na lang later ha. Tulog na, uwi si ate.
Love you, ate.
Good night. I love you too.
Ang tagal nyo naman kaibigan. Parang na kayo makapatid. And I'm so happy for this.
Gabriel, thank you for staying with our daughter. Kahit minsan, hirap siya i-handle. I'm glad that my friend siya na katulad sa ito. Thank you for
Remember last night I said I was something to tell you? Well,
What? May boring ka na ate?
Finally, may pakilala ka na sa amin. Where is he? Gabriel. My girlfriend. What? El Juna, sisiraan ka na ba ng bait? Tinalaki ka namin ng wise. Ganyan isusuklim sa amin?
Juna! No! Sinusuportahan ka namin ng mama mo sa anong bagay. Pero hindi naman sa ganito, anak!
Mom, you know how to look at me. We're just like other couples. We love each other. No, it's a no, El Juna. Tigil niyo yan! Walang balay sa pamilyang to. At isa pa, that's against our religion.
Bumabay sa amin sa bahay. Kung hindi, tatapol ka namin ng mama mo!
Ang perfect na magulang ka, like perfect lang ka. As your ate, I want you to be honest with you. How do you feel about yourself like you? To be honest natin, nasasakalan talaga ako sa parents natin. Alam ko naman kasi kaya lagi namin naman sa kanila eh. Expectation doon, expectation dito. Nasasakalan tayong tatlo. At alam mo yun, alam mo sa sarili mo na sumusobra ng parents natin. Pero, yun nga, I'm trying to find a way to deal with it peacefully. Kasi, parang sama sa akin, hindi ko na talaga alam kung makahandle ko pa yung parents natin o hindi. Nakakasama na talaga sila. Parang worthy that are. bunso.
Three days had passed after the heart-to-heart communication of the three siblings. But another challenge had stood their path.
FM Map.
Hello, Ma. Hindi namin ako miss ko sa phone ko. Ano nangyari? May importante bang nangyari? Jam! Nandito kami sa ospital ngayon. Sine-check up yung dad mo. Sige, tawagan ko muna sila ate at saka si Bunso. Papunta na kami dyan, Ma. Okay, wait lang. Mag-ingat kayo. Oo, wait lang.
From keeping your eye for comparing your sisters, gusto ko priority, and gusto rin talaga hindi kami pumunta sa mga accident. Kasi ang anak namin, ito lang ang kapag-ulit ko. Pero ang sa... Ang girlfriend mo sa April, tapos hindi mo lang kasama. Yung sinabi na ako kay April, wala never sorry. I tell April na sorry ka lang.
Wow, so ako yung last, ano to? Save the best for the last?
Yung Jam, you've been in your best best of the best. And we're sorry talaga. Kung hindi ako mamatay, hindi kayo pumunta, hindi na kayo pumunta dito. And I'm sorry talaga kung marami kaming kulang ng mama mo. And we love you. Hug na?
Wow!
Tapos na ang set!
I am so glad I got to work with you.
Tunggan ka mura ba? Pwede. Okay, everybody, please take your seats sa gitna.